Okay, so now let's shoot on the topic of range. The range based rules. What are the rules for range? A range is a place where the high and the low is fixed for some time. So in the chart, whenever you have a range acting up, you will see a lot of consolidation also in the same time. Let's understand it with an example. So the market is coming up, okay, it moved up, and then it started making a range. How did it started with the range? It came, did a breakout on a historical. Now this stop is maybe a pivot, a historical pivot. It broke out, breakout happened, retested again, and then went up to another historical level which came from the past. Okay, once it came down to another historical level, always understand this and this, because they were historical levels from past, they have created a range now. Now what this range will do, it will let us to take a trade. Now as soon as the momentum again came down, it will retest again the support, which is this one, and to retest the support, we got a very good opportunity to take a trade in this region, right? This is what is range based rules, because after checking this place out, maybe it will create a double bottom, and you know what will happen after a double bottom, right? The market will again go up, but till where? Till again, till the resistance or till the range that it created with the high, right? I mean, a lot of intraday trades can be done on this thing, because usually what we see in the market, whenever the market is not trending, is ranging. And in the ranging, I've seen a lot of students who are saying that we are not able to trade. What to do, sir? I would suggest you always keep the range in mind. Always try to take the trades along with the range based rule that we have created here, and always remember the past. Don't forget the past. What is past? The past candles which are moving. Okay, now let's have a look on the example of the bearish one as well. The market was coming down from here, it broke out here, retested here, made a double top here, created a low here, because also this was from the past. This is all coming from the past. This area got created as a range. Now what will happen for some time if the momentum is not there in the market? The market will keep on playing in the same range and will give you a lot of intraday opportunities to trade on. So always remember, range are very important. All right.